What is it?
Ay, naku girl, nakapasa si ate girl sa okay. Yung bed, bawal na kasi feeling ko talaga, pag sinulat ko, nagkakatotoo. We have it! Hi! Pagpasok ko kanina, no, I looked in my mailbox. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. So, last July, I had test. And I checked actually kanina, no, yung QR code na binigay if meron na ng result, pero wala pa daw. So, ayun lang. Let's go ahead and see kung nakapasa si ate girl sa test. Test. This would be parang ano ba yung citizenship ba? Ay, naku. Erfolgreichen Teilgenommen. Ay, naku girl, nakapasa si ate girl sa test. Woohoo! So, ayun, one down. Let me show you kung ano man ang pinagkakaabalahan ni ate girl these days. Kasi talagang sometimes I needed to shut down all the noise. Kasi ang dami kong pinagkakaabalahan. So, I'm on the process of moving. Kita nyo, wala na yung mga decorations and all. And life lately is a little chaotic, So, ayun. Okay. Ayan na, tapos yung bed naabawan na kasi it will be transported tomorrow. Wala na din yung Kleider shrunk ni ate girl. Ate girl, these are my clothes. And currently here right now kasi kailangan ko din i-unpacking yung yung toilet, etc. Umsug will be done for tomorrow. So lately, talagang, trying to navigate trying to get that kind of time na parang you're working for sure, asking some of your friends kung sino ba yung pwedeng tumulong, and also, ayun na nga, all of these things, sobrang nakakapagod. Although, syempre, excited ka na mag-move, ito na naman yung parang stressful time na kailangan mo nga mag-pack, yung buong buhay mo na naman kailangan mong ilagay sa karton, etc. And syempre, kailangan mo mag-abmel din sa Strom, sa internet, ganyan. Tapos maghahanap ka ulit ng panibagong Strom unbeater, internet unbeater. Tapos kanina, I also went to I also registered myself sa New City. So, ayun lang. Really, it's kinda, parang my emotions are kinda in a roller coaster this week specifically. Kasi talagang sobrang nakakapagod. So, ayun, that's why I'm trying to get away from social media, no? And I couldn't respond sa lahat ng mga comments, sa lahat ng mga messages nyo, just because I also needed some time talaga for myself. I have to acknowledge na gustuhin mo man ang isang bagay, sometimes it really is stressful. So, I wanted to live on that moment kasi parte siya ng journey. So, yeah, that's life lately. So, ayun, sisimula ulit mag-pack si ate girl. When I did besishtigong dito sa bahay, no, one of the things that really made me happy is itong window. Itong sobrang laki ng window, no. I really, really love that. And what I wanted to say is that pag may gusto ka ng isang bagay, no, I want you to write it down na parang scripting. Kasi feeling ko talaga, pag sinulat ko, nagkakatotoo. Like, all the things that you wanted for, halimbawa, sa new apartment, write it down. Gusto ko ng malaking window, gusto ko ganito, malapit sa Haltenstelle, gusto ko ganito. All those kind of specifications, and then pray it with intention, and let it go. Surrender mo kay Papa God, and mapupunta yan sa'yo. So, for example, you're praying for an exam, ganyan. Sometimes I ask you, kailan ba yung exam, girl, saan yung place, ganyan, so that I can pray for you. Kasi kailangan mo talagang maging specific. And also, you have to have good intention. But you have to let it go. Kahit ano yung result, you have to let it go. So, for example, when I prayed for this apartment, no, sabi ko, sana papagad makuha ko to, ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. But then, I have to let it go na if this is your will, let it be done. Pero if not, baka mas mahina ang kailangan kasi. Ibigay mo po sa kanya, okay lang, kaya kong maghintay. That's the recipe. That's something that I have learned through in life, no? Minsan, hindi binibigay sa atin yung isang bagay. Not because ayaw ni Papa God, baka malitin lang yung intention natin. Pero, may piniprepare yan na something for you. So, ayun. Dami ko reflections these days talaga. Ay, naku talaga. So, ayun na nga. Kailangan ko nang mag-tax. Ay, naku guys. Finally. So, from the last 2 weeks, no, na sobrang tsak-tsak-tsak yung energy ni ate girl. Ngayon naman, this is kind of relaxing birthday celebration kind of vibe, no? I'm a September baby. And now, currently, we are in Croatia. So, you can see. And this past few days is actually our last day here. I purposely, intentionally did not do any vlog kasi gusto ko lang talagang i-enjoy yung moment. And really, this past few days, sobrang iba yung vibe. I think kasi nung last time na nasa Paris kami, talagang parang minsan nakatingin ka sa bag mo kasi baka may mangdagwat ganyan. Pero dito, parang wala nang ganong feeling. And really, paglapag namin and pagdating namin dito sa hotel, no, yung vibe is parang, girl, mag-slow down ka, girl, mag-relax ka, parang ganun. So, lalakad ako na ang bagal-bagal kasi hindi ako nag-work. It's so nice to experience na wala ka ng alarm clock, wala ka ng naka-calendar, wala ka ng naka-schedule for the day, and just really go ease through. And really just go through with the flow of what's this going to be. And oh my God, sobrang, ay nako, pagbalik ko na naman kasi sa Hamburg, girl, ay makulimlim, maulan na naman. And I am actually curious and nervous at the same time how this winter is gonna be kasi alam ko it will be hard again, you know, talagang maapektuhan yung mood mo. But right now na nandito ako, talagang ay nako, enjoy natin yung araw. And I also enjoyed Croatia kasi parang nakaka-amaze na lahat ata ito, like, and these, sa hotel namin, no, andyan yung mga pine trees. So, parang Tagaytay feels tayo today, ha. Tapos, you would see some olive trees, mga fig, as in, yung parang, ay, napakasarap naman dito. And earlier today, andun lang kami nakaupo din lang sa beach. Tapos, we were just ordered iced coffee. The other day, nag-order lang kami ng fruit smoothie. And then, talking to people, trying to, ay, nako, really trying to slow things down. So, miss ko to. Ito na yung last vacation ni ate girl for the year. Really, really glad na na-experience ko to. So, ayun. The next clip would be in Hamburg na. So, and then later on, we're planning to go on a nearby beach and then magwa-watch lang kami ng sunset. The other day, girl, sobrang ganda ng sunset. Na talagang hindi kami makaalis-alis kasi nakatingin ka lang dun sa kalawakan. And that contrast of color, no, ng orange, ng pink. Tinawagan ko pa si mama para ipakita sa kanya na, ma, ang ganda-ganda naman dito. Sobrang, ay, naku talaga, ang ganda. And then we'll do a sunset. We'll watch sunset again later today, no? So, a few minutes from now, it will be sunset. And then, yun na nga, yun na. Last na talaga ito na summer. Babalik na tayo bukas. Charot. Hi everyone! Charot. Hi guys! So, ayun na nga, masyadong naging busy ang September para kay ate girl. Yesterday, I also had my birthday, so I was out with my friends. And ayun, it was really a good time. And I also went alone morning, no? Yung palakad-lakad lang sa stat, walang masyadong, that kind of feeling na wala ka ng schedule. Yung gusto mo lang maupo somewhere na may sun, tapos nanonood ka sa mga tao, sa mga naglalakad. Ganun lang yung peg ni ate girl yesterday. And then later in the afternoon, I also met some of my friends and we really had a good time. So this is just kinda parang summarize how September had been for me, kung bakit hindi nga consistent si ate girl in posting the vlog. One is lumipat kami ng bahay. And ayun na nga, another challenge that we had is yung internet nga. 3 weeks walang internet. That's gutom na si ate girl. I hope I would be able to vlog more this October. So what I have here, it's a mixed batter. So this would be pancake. Wow. So what I did is instead of using flour, I used oats. Inano ko lang siya, grinine to have it pulverized. So that's oats, flour, and then instead of milk, I used skyr, which is kapamilya ng yogurt. Pero mas creamy siya para medyo fluffy. Hindi ko alam kung maging successful. Sana lang po. Pero ayun, we're just gonna hit the pot. Let me make you nearer. Okay, so ayun na nga. So mukhang ewan ko. Really? Mukhang siyang cookie, hindi siya pancake. Charot! Ay, nako. That's the thing about life. You will make mistakes. Tapos, pagtatawanan mo na lang yung sarili mo. That's one of the, characters or personalities that you have to develop para hindi kayong medyo very hard sa sarili mo. Ganun talaga ang buhay. You will receive failures, you will be disappointed, frustrated, lahat na lang talaga. But then, you would learn as well how to stand up. Ay! Wow! Bakit may pa-motivation tayo early in the morning, ate girl? Charot. Okay. Interessant. Ay, girl, we're done na. So, look at that. Mukha namang promising. Mukha naman siyang pancake. So, plating na tayo. Ayan, perfect. Pero parang mukhang hindi tayo mabubusog nito. Mamaya siguro kakain ulit ako. Okay. And then, of course, we have to do some honey. Dito talaga, pag nag-abroad ka, matututo ka magluto kasi wala kang bibilan. Kung gusto mo bumili, sige ko. Pero ayun na nga, mahal konting honey lang. Ay naku, napakadami naman yun. Ayan. Peanut butter. Pero again, lang, very moderate lang. Char. Parang ganyan, Nakita ko lang to sa restaurant nung one time. Parang pag ganyan lang siya. Lang. Okay, very good. Ay, naku, para ka nang kumain sa labas, girl. Oh my God. Diba? I could have been nicer with banana, pero yun lang, meron tayo ngayon. Oh my God, so breakfast is ready. Tara na, kumain na tayo. So, that's it for today. That's it for the vlog, no? It was parang weekly kind of vlog that I did for this month of September. Mga small snippets. Mga small snippets of life in September, kinda. So, there you have it. So happy autumn. I'll see you next time. Love you.